What if Apple's next iPhone color surprise isn't for the Pro model at all, but for the newest slimmed-down version in the lineup? According to fresh leaks, the much-rumored sky blue color that was originally expected to launch with the iPhone 17 Pro is now reportedly being shifted over to the iPhone 17 Air instead. This comes as a surprising twist, especially after earlier reports suggested the Pro lineup would get some bold new shades like black, gray, silver, dark blue, and orange. While orange might still make the cut for the iPhone 17 Pro, sky blue seems to have been cancelled for the Pro and reassigned to the Air model. A leaked image showing color-matched camera rings particularly one in light blue adds weight to this claim. The Air is now expected to wear this sky blue shade as its standout color, and the image also hints at green and purple versions, which could mean even more variety than expected. With its rumored horizontal camera island and ultra-slim body, the iPhone 17 Air is beginning to look more like a stylish rival to the Google Pixel 8 Pro, especially in lighter tones like sky blue. But while it may look sleek, some are questioning whether color alone is enough to drive demand for this new model. Apple had previously axed the iPhone mini and later replaced the Plus due to poor sales, and now it's taking a similar risk by replacing the Plus with the Air. The iPhone 17 Air is said to pack a 2,800 mAh battery, which feels quite small by today's standards, especially compared to the Samsung Galaxy S5 Edge that fits a 3,900 mAh battery into a similarly thin 5.8mm frame. That trade-off might not sit well with users who prioritize all-day battery life. Even though Apple fans often appreciate premium materials and stylish finishes, it's clear that this color swap might be part of a bigger strategy to make the iPhone 17 Air feel more desirable. Apple could be aiming this model at users who want a lighter, thinner iPhone with a fresh look, even if that means giving up some battery capacity and possibly other high-end features. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 Pro will reportedly still get darker, more refined colors like dark blue and silver, but the loss of the sky blue color could leave some fans disappointed, especially those looking for something more playful in the Pro range. It's interesting to see how Apple is repositioning its models not just in terms of hardware, but through color and design. The Air, by offering vibrant options, may be geared toward younger buyers or people who see their phone as part of their style. Whether that will be enough to avoid the fate of the Plus and Mini remains to be seen. Apple seems to be banking on the Air's design and appeal to win buyers over. But as always, real-world performance matters too, and with that 2,800 mAh battery under the hood, the Air will have to prove it can last long enough to match its looks. At the same time, Pro users may still lean toward raw power and camera performance, even if the new colors don't stretch as far as originally hoped. So what would you choose, bold colors and a slim build, or longer battery life with more traditional shades? Share your thoughts below, and if you want more updates like this without complicated tech language, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Can a few new color options really change how you feel about a smartphone? With the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, that might just be the case. As we approach the Galaxy Unpacked event on July 9th, one of the final leaks gives us a clear look at the 3 standard colors Samsung will offer for its next flagship foldable: jet black, silver shadow, and blue shadow. Unlike past years where black was often an online-only option, jet black is now part of the regular lineup, which is a welcome move for those who like a clean and classic look. Silver shadow also returns, but this time with a slightly different tone than what we saw on the Galaxy Z Fold 6, offering a fresh twist for those who like neutral shades with a bit of character. But it's blue shadow that's catching most people's attention. This is the color replacing last year's navy, and it has already been spotted in hands-on leaks. Interestingly, its dark blue hue combined with the black front screen has sparked nostalgia in some users, reminding them of the Nintendo DS Lite's iconic color scheme. That kind of emotional connection, even accidental, can be powerful when it comes to making buying decisions. While these colors are grabbing the spotlight now, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 has more going for it than just looks. Rumors suggest the phone will measure 8.9 millimeters when folded, making it slimmer and possibly more comfortable to hold. Inside, it's expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which promises top-tier performance, and it'll ship with Samsung's latest One UI software. On top of that, Samsung is said to be offering 7 years of software updates, matching what's already promised on its flagship Galaxy S models, a huge win for anyone thinking long-term. The Fold 7 is also rumored to have a less noticeable crease in the inner display, which has long been a complaint with foldables. But for all its upgrades, there's still one area where the Fold 7 might fall short: battery capacity. The 4,400 mAh battery is fine on paper, but compared to rivals like the Honor Magic V5 or the Oppo Find N5, both of which offer larger batteries and equally powerful specs, the Fold 7 might not impress users who demand more screen-on time or heavy usage throughout the day. And let's not forget, the Honor Magic V5 is also said to offer 7 years of software support, so Samsung's lead in that area isn't exclusive anymore. If you're new to foldables or simply cautious about investing in one, Samsung has you covered there too. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 Fan Edition is widely expected to be unveiled at the same event. It's likely to be much cheaper than the Fold 7, giving people a more budget-friendly way to try out the foldable experience without diving in headfirst. Overall, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be a refined, capable, and more thoughtfully designed foldable, especially with these new color choices that appeal to both minimalists and those who like something different. If Samsung nails the pricing and availability, it could easily maintain its lead in the foldable market, at least for now. So which color are you leaning toward? The classic jet black, the updated silver shadow, or the nostalgia-inducing blue shadow? Drop your pick in the comments, and if you enjoyed this quick update, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more honest, simple tech coverage.
Have you checked your Samsung phone recently and wondered why the One UI 7 update still hasn't arrived? You're not the only one. Many users have been left waiting, even though the update was expected to be one of the most important ones this year. So what caused the delay and what's happening now? Samsung originally planned to release One UI 7 to its latest devices in April 2025, followed by a wider rollout through May and June. That plan made sense and got people excited. But things didn't go as expected. A major issue was discovered after the initial testing and was serious enough for Samsung to pause the rollout. Users were left with no answers, no new update, and a lot of questions. Fast forward to now, there's finally some progress. Samsung has resumed the update process, but only in South Korea for the moment. The update is being pushed to a handful of devices first, including the Galaxy S23 lineup, the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition, and the Galaxy Tab S10 and Tab S9 series. It's a big update too, around 5 GB in size, and it also includes the April